Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Automate with Piyush. Sorry guys for being so away from the channel for so long. I've been busy with many activities and learning new things, having fun with my team, going to learning more about them and explore definitely exploring new technologies around what we are working with. So here I am with a new interesting use case for you guys. So this is something I found really interesting, how we can integrate with app and data service. So in this video I'm going to talk more about the data service component for that. So the idea is to have you seen how a form has this kind of fields. You select the state and then the drop down below starts showing you the cities belonging to that state only. Okay, like if you would for a drop down you select your state as Rajasthan, then the city drop down will only show you states which belong to that particular state. Now how we can do that in UiPath, that's what we are going to learn about in this video. And while we are learning that, we will learn about relationship data type. Okay, what is that, how it works in the data service. So let's begin. So first I will create two entities. So for that I'm into data service, click on create entity. Let's call it mm, I will name it as main state. Create another, save, and main city. So I have created two entities: state, which will have all the states of a specific country, and the city will have all the cities of that specific states which are in the main state. So first let's begin with main state. Here I just need to create one more field, which is like one more column, which would be called state. Type text, and it should be required, and save. Now here we can add any data. So for example, Rajasthan, my state. Okay, now this is done with the main state. Now we will jump to the city and see, we will create a relationship with the main state. So here we will need two different fields. One is state. Now this state column will have a relationship with the main state entity. So its type should be relationship. Related entities are main state and its particular entity field is state. So that way all the states which are in this entity must belong to the main state as well. We can't have a state which is in main city but it is not in main state. That's the scenario. So that helps you keep governance and keep a tracker of the what we are going to build. So now state is ready, and now we are going to create one more field called city. It can be simply text and save. Now let's go to data and try to add something. When we tried to adding in the main state, we were able, it simply asked us an input field which state it you want. You could have written anything. Now here I will click on add data. If you see, for city it is giving me just a normal text box, but for state now I have got a drop down. I cannot just select any value. I have to choose from the respective ones only. So I will choose Rajasthan, and inside this my city, Jaipur. Okay, duplicate tab. Now here this thing is, this id is a unique id for this particular record. This Rajasthan, here it is showing as a keyword, but in actual it is a unique id from the main state entity. Let's open that. An interesting part, like, one cannot delete the main state entity right now because the its particular state is connected to the main city. Like for example, if I want to delete this, it shouldn't let me, right? delete entity data field, record is still referenced by other record. That is like why we are creating a relationship. Now unless this record is deleted, this won't be deleted. These two both are connected together, and we can so the idea is going further, we can add multiple states in this particular entity, and for each state we can add the respective cities in this entity. Okay, so hope you guys understood this video about the relationship concept. In the next video I will show how we can utilize these two entities with UiPath apps to create drop downs for us. Just like if a user would select a particular state, say Rajasthan, then the next drop down will give him all only the cities belonging to that particular state. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, stay on watch alert, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.